Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to use WhatsApp in iPhone. If you want to go ahead and use WhatsApp in your iPhone, then you have to follow the steps. Now, the procedure starts with installing the application. So to install it, you have to head over to your App Store. On the search box, type in WhatsApp and click the install button. As soon as the application is installed, click the open button and you'll have to begin with the registration. So for the registration, you'll only be able to use your phone number. So type in your phone number, and next thing you'll be asked to access all of the permissions. So you have to go ahead and do that as well and click the OK button. Once you've done it, so now you need to go ahead and set a profile or a picture or whatever, and then you'll be taken to the home page. Now the home page will look something like this, which shows the chat page. So here you could press the icon in the top right hand side corner and start adding people to your WhatsApp. Next thing, if you want to go ahead and make a call, you could look for the call icon at the bottom of the page or in the left hand side bar and type in the name of the contact that you wish to make a call. So click the call button, and this way you could go ahead and make it. And apart from it, you could also go ahead and add a status to your WhatsApp. So if you want to go ahead and add a status, you could go to status section from the bottom of the page, and you could press the pencil shape icon so that you could either take a picture or upload it from your gallery. And lastly, if you want to go ahead and make changes with your account, you could go to the settings, and there you could find out the information relating your WhatsApp. So this way you could use WhatsApp. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.